free 18 months extended warranty. Next we will plug in this unit and demonstrate the projection on the ceiling and some other features. With the unit plugged in, setting the time is as simple as pressing the hour button and the minute button, and you're all set. The time will lock in within 3 seconds. You can also change the dimmer to 3 different levels. This is the lowest level, which is perfect for completely dark conditions, and then you have the brightest and the one in between. The button all the way to the right is for projection options. Either it's turned off or it's turned on for projection to a rear wall, or another option to project the digits on a front wall. A button next to that is for the radio. You have the option of switching between AM and FM, and for each one of those you can use the tuning up and down buttons to search for the next station.
Even if it's not ideal, frankly.